uh, okay, hey guys, welcome back in another stream. Okay, and in this stream I just show you the basically my work, and I will give you this project as soon as possible after the making this project full and goodly. Okay, in my lots of project, I give you some, the third person shooting templates you can find in my free project playlist. There I give you lots of TTP project, but this one is more good than others, because at this project you can see you can it's have aim offsets, as you can see, kind of like good aim offset you can find in it in free. Then I can clutch, and then I can prone, and I can do lots of stuff, as you can see. Okay, and I can also pick up like the PUBG style weapon. The weapon list will become in our display, like if we have the two weapons near of the same time at the real time. If we are near of two weapons, like the, as you can see, the gun and the ammo or the extended mag, it will be display the list. Okay, if we go out of the near of the guns or the ammo, it will be disabled. So it's nice, and we can pick the guns. As you can see my left side, the widget come that yeah, I pick this, and if I pick the mag, it will be increase my ammo. Okay, and if I click am, so now you can see I have the total ammo and in my reloaded at my guns how much. Okay, now if I press 1, so I can use the gun right now, and I can also right now fire. Okay, as you can see with auto fire single mode. Okay, as you can see, I can also fire in auto mode. Also they have there's also I improved that you can now look anywhere, because I set the aim offset very quickly, so you can you can see anywhere like a real gun. In my last project you can only just turn your weapon to left to right, you can't up to down, or you can't do this aim offset, but now you can do this aim offset. The gun is also work like this without aiming, as you can see. And if you have the zero ammo, it will be don't fire, so you need to again reload your gun. Then if you have the more than 30 ammo, then it can fire. Okay, then you can fire, able to fire. As you can see, you can fire in up, sky, down, and the bullet also have some reaction. Okay, so okay, let's improve some more. Okay, so I'm working lots of stuff at here. As you can see, there's lots of stuff. Yeah, there's a lots of code, but let's now I am working it in health bar or the health system. So I already create a float variable, and let's do the others work. Okay, so now I hit when my AI bullet hit us, it will be I need to verify first that how much my value, it's mean are my value is less than 0 or equal 0 or not. So for verifying this, simple get it to less than if. Now I simply search if. So at here simply we just connect with this. Now it will be verified that are our health equals 0 or not. If our health 0, so it will be tell true. If our health is not 0, so it will be tell the false. So if our health is not 0, so we can get damage. So for that, get minus float, and at here you can add how much you want. In my case I'm giving the 0.1. okay, it will be, it's mean that we need to hit 10 times with if we want our health 0. okay, so one is done. We need to set the health, so at the set, and the false equals done. Okay, so if it's now it will be now display, or now we have this same or a simple health system that hit, and it's verifying the ammo's health, and after the verifying, simply minusing the health if we have greater than, or if you have more than 0. okay, so at this time we need to also do one more stuff, like we need to maybe verify this thing again for before minusing this stuff. So I simply, what I do is basically very simple. I want to make sure that my my health is less than 0, then it will be do this the minus stuff, or it will be not true. So again verifying this, So now it will be more clear for our Unreal Engine. So Unreal Engine can now goodly verify that if our 0 or not. If we are have 0, okay, so it will be not do anything for now, and if we don't have 0, so it will be do this thing. Okay, so at this point we'll now add a simple a sequence. So yeah, now why, let me show you also that if my health is 0, it will be do these things, or also you can do these things. Okay, so one is done, we need to now do once time. Okay, like do once. So why I'm adding this do once, because I don't want to play my animation 100 times if I even I hitting with this stuff. So for just doing the verify, I want to die one times if my health is 0. Okay, so now we can just create a variable, maybe for my health, that DEATH death. Okay, now I am dead. So first of all it will be tell that yeah, I am dead, and then after doing these things it will be play the animation of die. Okay, so before playing this animation he need to first check that are we are in prone or not. Okay, if we are prone we can play another animation. If we are in not prone, so we can play of any type of animation like the death animation. So I have some animation for death like this. There's a kind of like three deaths. One is like a iron sight death. Okay, as you can see, if you are in iron sights, bro, vehicle steering wheel widget setup please. What brother, what kind of widget you want? Okay, I already show you at the last of video the stream that how you can simply set up your vehicle wheel. So what you want more? Okay, so let's set up the date animation at here. So for before doing this thing we need to just say the play animations. Okay, yeah, so if we are in prone, so it will be shoot not it. If we are prone, so we also do the same thing, but we'll play another animation for if we are in a prone mode. Okay, like if we are in prone, we can't play this this one that is already in up. We need the prone die. So I have the prone die animation. Where is the prone die animation? So maybe here you can see there's a give you 2 animations. Okay, so if I in a death, so that will be played this one. If I am not in prone, so it can play this. That there's 2 types, so I can use this one, that third one. Okay, so one is done. So now maybe I should give it at later, that's the date ones. Okay, like now I'm in death. Okay, like seriously now I'm death, or yeah, seriously I can do it before doing these things. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so now it's enough that if I have damaged and if my health is 0, so I do once time that I dead and verify that I'm prone or not, so it can be play animation. So for testing this, for now what I do is basically very simple. First I need to go in my event data. So where is my event data? Maybe here, it's the ticked one. So here the event data, event begin play. I need to first set my health, that my health is correctly 1. Okay, bro, steering wheel example doctor driving game, I don't know how to explain. Bro, look, I already make about some videos about your vehicle steering, that how you can set up. So just go in my channel that. Okay, let me show you that. Where you find, just search Croding Bangla YT, maybe you find my channel, and then you need to let me show that, go in the video list. Okay, maybe it's some later or maybe some past. Selecting vehicle, physical vehicle to make a drivable vehicle, this one. Wait bro, I'm suggesting you to see this video. Okay, let me copy the link and give you. Okay, here is the video link. Just check this video link, because at this video I'll show that how you can simply create the vehicle whole setup. Okay, like how you can simply create the vehicle. It's easy for you. You can easily understand that how you can how you can simply make this vehicle as for the driver. You can then drive the vehicle. It's very good. Okay. Okay, so let's come in our video, in our works. That bro, just searching steering wheel in Unity, can you get the simple video? What? Search steering wheel in Unity, can you get the simple video? What? Bro, Unity? I don't know about the Unity steering wheel setups. Okay, I think you are telling me to search these things, like the STREEIN steering WHWL wheel in Unity. Okay, like Unity, UNTY. Oh, okay, maybe this guy will be help us to the display. Oh, I think you may be telling me to make this, like how can make this simple this widget. Okay, like the widget controlling that to left or right, the this thing. Maybe you're maybe asking me this ones, that how you can create this stuff, that when you are turning our vehicle it will be go like left to right. Yeah, you want this, maybe, I don't know, maybe you want this. However, let's check our game. Okay, maybe it's enough done, maybe. Okay, I need to first reload my gun, then I can fire. Okay, that was quite enough, but now I'm working in the test. So now I need a key that for the test, that okay, that I getting the damage or not. So for doing these things, just I'm using a key just for test this. So the J key, I'm using the J key. Yeah, correct. Oh, okay, you wanted that. Okay, I will make the video. Okay, if you want that things, I will try to make the video. Okay, now if I hit the the J button, so I'm getting now the damage. So maybe I need to click 10 times. Yes, you can see after then clicking the 10 times, now I'm die, as you can see. Yeah, but still there's a bugs that after then die I can go anywhere, as you can see. It's so much funny. If your game doesn't have bugs, it will be not till a game. It's so funny. As you can see, the widget is also displaying if I die. Oh my god, seriously. Okay, I need to fix these things. So for we create a the boolean data, so we can use this boolean data. Okay, first of all, we need to set up that if we are die, so we can't do anything, like we can't move or do anything. So for doing this thing, we'll go in our input sections. Okay, and at the input section, we also will what we'll do is simply verify that we are die or not. Okay, so if we are not die, so we can do this stuff, but if we are die, we can't do anything. Okay, that is the simple. So I'm just adding this thing, just copy this block and also add for the move forward and the back. So I know that it's takes some time to the setuping the whole stuff, but it will be work, I hope so. Okay, there's one more comment. Thanks bro, waiting for the tutorials. Okay brother, I will try to make as fast as possible, then I will upload in YouTube. Okay, so then what I need to fix this, that I can't do anything. So the jump will also, if I paste it, false. So you need to add this thing before do any of stuff like the reloading stuff or the other stuff. So maybe I can't do anything if I die. Okay, you need to just set up this. Make sure that if you are not die, so you can do the other stuff, but if you are in death, so you can't do anything like this stuff. So I'm just setting up this, that left shift I can't run also, so I'm adding this stuff at here also. Okay, also the V1s too. If I in that I can't do anything. I set up this reload one, damage one, ticked one. In fact I can't use the weapon also if I am that. Then the Q is for the dropping the weapon. Okay, I can't drop the weapon also if I am die. ADS, the right mouse, the ADS sensitivity, or the aiming. So I'm just setting the aiming right now. Maybe I need the 2 more for doing this stuff, because it's deactivating the camera. That's why I don't want that. For any of bugs it will be deactivate my camera. Okay, the clutching, same stuff. And the 5.5 system is okay. The left mouse is for firing, so simply I just create here a the data. Okay, maybe it's enough that if you are right now in die or death, if you are in death, so we can't do anything. So let's check that J, and yeah, we are dead. And now you can see, as you can see, if I hit the space bar or QWERX, if I do any of stuff, it will be don't do anything because I am right in death. Okay, that one is good. Now we need to set up that one more thing, that if we are dead, so we need that our widget. Okay, our widget should be also the break, or it will be become over. It means that when we are dead, our widget should be hide. So for doing this thing, we will simply you need to promote a variable when we are creating this widget. So here at the viewport, you need to just add a simple promote a variable, just break down it and add here your widget with viewport. Okay, you can also connect from there if you have any problem. I think you don't have any problem if you are connected with like this. Okay, now you can use this widget data. So at here, that when we are dead, so we will get our widget that set visibility. Okay, set visibility equals to hidden, and just connect it with this to this. So now it will be don't display any of stuff. So let's test that. Yeah, here 10 times, and now we are dead. As you can see, it's don't displaying anything, but there's also problem. Our camera also become stuck. So we want that when we are die, I want also one more thing, that when we are die, so our camera should be changed, like it's go like PUBG style. So simply in the capsule I just add one more camera and just give the camera at up. Okay, give it enough up. Make sure you rotate your camera at the right position, or you can't get any nice looking view. And make sure you disable your all camera in the event beacon play. Okay, so you can use a custom that for the disabling, or you can just track like me that it is a die camera. So I will give it name death cam. Okay, so just click 2 times DATH death cam. So now at here we'll just stop this thing and set ACTV activity. So now our activity is 0, so we are not using this thing. But if you are in if you are dead, so what will we do is basically simple. We will get our aim camera, our player camera, and now we will disable this stuff. So set AC activity, and now we also connected with this. Just plug with this, just drop, like give it some space, and at here we now we want to use this thing, so we simply get this thing to duplicate and just connect with this, and add the new activity, will enable it. So now I can basically very simple, I can see my death cam, or our death cam will be active. So let's check that JJJ. Now I'm pressing 10 times. As you can see, our death cam is working, but maybe our camera should be more more forward, like this position. Let's try. As you can see, now I'm dead. Yeah, this is good, but it should be more. So it's totally about dying. Yeah, now it's enough good. I think it's enough good. Okay, it's enough good. Now we are simply add, our collision is working, our death cam is working. We'll just compiling this whole code for, as you can see, I just mess up here. There's a lots of code I write from 7 days, as you can see. So yeah, it's some first time you need to, it's very hard to understanding these variable and this stuff, but maybe you can understand because I make this because it's easy, that's why. Okay, however, let's compile it, and now we'll add one more thing that we need to test, that if we are in a prone. So now we are in prone, now 10 times, and you can see we are dead in the prone. Okay, that was good. Okay, our prone death is also working, and let's check that what we can add more in our animations. Like we have the reload, the prone, we just use these stuffs. You can also use the randomly deaths, and here you can see the hitting data. If you want, you can add this hitting data. Okay, but you can add this hitting data when you are not doing anything, like if you are playing any animation. So if you get the hit, so maybe there's a commit bugs, like animation can be glitch. Okay, so for fixing this, you can do that. When you are hitting these things, there's a maybe problem come. Like this sequence, you can play these animations. Like I'm telling about this, that the hit data here, just I drop the hit data. Okay, now as you can see, if I press the J, I should get damage, but as you can see, I'm not getting any damage. I can getting damage from after die. Okay, so maybe it should be not here, it should be when I hitting with a capsule. Okay, not the first verifications, when I getting the damage. So for doing this stuff, we can simply, I can do like this. Now let me show you. If I J, as you can see, I getting health. As you can see, there's a can become a bugs if you're getting damage at here. As you can see, our camera can be moved from the positions. and there can be bugs. So at this position what will we do is basically very simple, that I think you don't need to use this stuff at the damaging point. So I'm just removing this stuff. Okay, at last I think we most of we use at here like the widgeting section, the clutching, the getting ammo. Okay, now we can add some, you know, about the AI and the health systems. Okay, so here is my AI. Let me just change the color of this. I don't want into red, I want into, you know, blue or something else color. So I'm giving it into blue. So when my AI shoot me, I want that my blood should be, you know, it's coming the blue. Okay, at the for the resource, simply create a new folder, that to others, and now I just simply just drop into my others folder, and now we have more clear, you know, widgets. Okay, so now basically we need, you know, a first aid. So let's go in our Blender to make the model. So you can go and check the first aid kit. So first and kit FBX, you can first and kit, if you want, maybe first and kit, maybe search first kit. Okay, there's a showing, you know, some others. Game first what is tail, what is the name? And first and kit game, and you can see there's a showing me, I don't know, let me search FBX, maybe it's come. Here as you can see there's a coming the, you know, the image. I can use this one, maybe it's good, or maybe this is look more game like, yeah, like a seriously like a game, and the reference not so much good as you can see. Here this is a lots of, you know, I can create this one, like you can see it is the 40% off, but they are telling that it's priceful, like the $4 assets. Okay, so for the $4 asset we can create it in our Blender. Okay, like it's making Blender, so we can also create, as you can see. There's a give you the reference, as you can see. Maybe it's not come the at the highest quality, but it's, we can do the same. So just go into sorry, not 2D animation, internet to go, you need to go in the general and saved it. Okay, as at general we need to just delete first the camera and the stuff. Now we have the simple cube. Let me enable these things, and this is the reference, as you can see, the box type. So go with X view, and it's looking like a TV box, I know. Okay, now it's enough, maybe look like this ones, this stuff. So maybe it's more, you know, small, the white, as you can see, this one, this stuff. Okay, so then we need one more, as you can see there is a give you the one more, the round. So simply just Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Maybe it's exposition, yeah, as you can see, exposition. Now we simply just scale it and just give it some, you know, under of it, but not so much. Also we just change this, you know, the heightness. I think this thing is done. SG Gaming. Hello brother, hello, how are you? Okay, then you need to do the same thing for one more. We need to do the stuff one more time. Duplicate it, x2 position it, and yeah, as you can see now it's more small. Okay, maybe this stuff is good, maybe, I hope so. Yeah, maybe. Nice. Yes, I am making my own model because it's, you can see, as you can see, it's $2.40 assets. Why I need to pay them for $2.40 if I can create my own? Okay, maybe it's enough. Then we'll go in Blender, and here we need to first join this stuff at 1. So simply just join. Why it's not joining? Shift plus J or Ctrl plus J. Okay, now it's in a join, so it's now in a 1. Now if I go in shadings, okay, as you can see it's now in a shading. We'll simply just change the color to red. Okay, it's quite enough good for now. Let's go in and again in model. Now we need to create the up one, the handle. Okay, we need to create this handle. Okay, so let's create it. So for making this, simply add a, maybe I think the cylinder will be good for this one, and I will simply just increase, give it as, as smooth as possible. Then simply just rotate it and to 90 degree, and now we need to scale it and just keep like this. We need to now set up this thing into our there. I know it's look some funny, yeah, it's looked like some funny, but it will be enough for me, I hope so. Okay, so now we'll simply just duplicate it, but the same position, but now this time it will be some smaller, because now I need to make the second part. Okay, so that's why. So I want only just the, because I want to now add this thing to like this position. So now go in edit mode, just click on select the face, and then simply E to extrude it. Then now I can move it like anywhere. Then again E to extrude. I don't know I am a good the model maker or not, just I'm making myself because I don't want to spend the money right now. Maybe it's good, what you tell guys? Isn't it enough for this stuff? Then duplicate it to at Y position. Now at here we need to just rotate it, maybe into 90 degree or 180 degree. Okay, as you can see the 180 degree is perfect for this one. And yeah, let's simply create our this handle, the up one handle. Maybe it's some more big, I think, so we can fix this by just increasing this stuff value, and just give it like this position, and just make it like this position. Okay, I think my first state is more good. Yeah, and now I need to just join this stuff in a once. Okay, now it's in a 1. So now we can go in the shadings. As you can see, at the shadings we can now take the brightness. Okay, that was maybe quite enough like a first state, but we need now the first state logo. Okay, as you can see, the we want a first state logo. So now I'm thinking that how can I add this first state logo? Okay, like seriously, how can I add this? Because I'm not goodly know about this, the material thing, the editing the texture or texture editing. So basically what I do, I will create a plus arrow at here. Yeah, seriously, I will create a plus arrow at here with a mesh. Just first of all Let me give it back. Let me first scale it like a plus arrow, and then simply just where is my cube go? Okay, sorry, the cube is go under of this ones. Okay, now we'll simply just rotate it one more time, but yeah, maybe this position, set it to 90°, and as you can see it's now maybe look like a plus maybe. Okay, now we need to just it's look like most 3Dest plus arrow ever. Let's go shadings, and as you can see the plus icon is here. Yeah, we are seriously make this stuff. Now let's go in the modeling and add this layer like our plus icons. What I will do is basically very simple, go at XY and just position to middle and make it some big. Okay, you can see, we can see from this side and from this side too. Go shading, and as you can see it's enough good. So the first step is done. So now we'll again go in the editing mode and now set all the stuff and just join it. So now it will become a one statistic mesh, and give it name first and kit. Okay, also we need to make sure that you set your materials name correctly, or it can become glitchy. As you can see there's a glitchy because I didn't set my materials color, that's why it's come. So I need to again unlink it, and at this here I need to create the material. As you can see there's a maybe kind of like 3 materials. Now our material is done, so we can now set this stuff and again make a one statistic mesh. And now first and kits with shading. Okay, now this stuff is perfect. Now we can export it for our FBX download folder and give it name to first and kit. Let's come in engine, and now we need to import it for our Unreal Engine. And import, just you need to just maintain the size, nothing else. Maybe just 0.3 is enough for me. Maybe just drag to alt, and as you can see it's good, but the position is not correct. Sometimes it's come because I didn't set it here like my layout you can see. So now I need to set up this to a this one. Now it's good, I know. So I can now FBX export and again just re-import it. Now the position will become fixed. I know the position should be fixed right now. So again import. Okay, now if I hit the save and now drop into my world, as you can see the stuff is done, but because there's a coming, you can see there's a coming some glitch. Maybe it's coming for my world. Okay, like my world, maybe the area map is not correct. I don't know, maybe it's a glitch in my map world. Okay, so for fixing this we can simply just remove this stuff and just make my world to a better scene. Now just drop it. But it's fixed. I hope so it's fixed. Okay, now weapon, drop the gun and this stuff too. Okay, now hit the play. As you can see, here's my first state. It's good. Hello, Sumit Kumar. Why you're no smoothing groups in the found? What kind of this smoothing groups in found? Bro, I didn't understand, Sumit Kumar. Then the Michael, maybe. Hello Michael brother, how are you? Okay, so this stuff is good. Our this FBX is now ready, rock and roll. But I need to fix like some stuff at here, like this, using the same material but the color become, the change. So I'm just deleting from this stuff, and in my hair simply just drop it. So within two materials I can have the full FBX right now. Now we need to create the simple actor that health. When we export from Blender to Unreal, I am fine. Look brother, when you just you need to just click on like this, that as you can see this stuff. Let me just unlink it, so maybe you find. Okay, now I can select this one. So as you can see that this one is not so much perfect, or the smoothness is not so much good, as you can see. So you need to just click on the here. You can set from here that maybe where is go. You need to maybe go in edit, click on mesh, and there maybe find the option that is smoothing. Is here you can see the shading, smooth faces. Just click on this one. So as you can see, you have now able to as you can see, it's now become more smooth. If I go into this, as you can see, it's more smooth, but there's a, you can see why my camera is doing like this stuff. This is smooth, enough is smooth. Okay, like as you can see, this is quite enough good than the lastest one. Also you can do the same thing for this, that just click on there, add a modifier. Sorry, it's why is there this modifier, and here you maybe find the smooth name something. Smooth, where is the smooth go? Ball and building, mirror, ski, surface. Could you capture there? You find this that is smooth. Okay, you find this smooth also. If you want, you can also just play with this variable. So okay, maybe it's good for this one, but I don't need like this one. So let me back it. And however, my model is inputted at Unreal Engine, as you can see, but this one is good how I want. Okay, yeah, that was enough good how I want. Now I go in the blueprint. I need to just drop it to my hair, in the world simply add a box collision so I can grab this stuff. Why this everything is so uncorrect position? They're glitching Unreal Engine. Okay, I need to just non-combination it so I can go under of this one stuff. Okay, got it brother. Okay brother, I hope I understand you, because my English is totally suck level. However, let's go in here, and this blueprint that if you are begin this overlap, just cast our UE4 cast to UE4. But guys, don't worry, I will give you this project, this quite enough good project. You can do lots of stuff. There's some bugs. I'm not just fixing some bugs, that's why. However, you can pick like PUBG style. I just try to make enough like the PUBG style. Soon give you this project after the completing. Here you find this like the PUBG style weapon picking. Then you can just use the weapon. You can aim it anywhere. I already set the aim offsets. Okay, as you can see, you can look right, left, up, down with aim offsets. You can turn on, you can control your this one. You can pick the mag also. You can reload, you can do lots of stuff like, yeah, and you can fire also. I'm also fixing this problem. No problem with your English. If we understand the incorrect is enough. Okay, I hope. Okay brother, thank you. Okay, let's fix our this one, that our now I'm setting the health one, that we want to pick this health. So it other sector, and I have my just get health. And how much is our health? It will be just increase the value. So but here I need to check that if my health is 1, it means that if my health is 100%, so it will be don't pick this stuff, okay, like this first aid. So this verify, after this verify, if my health is not equals 1 or 100%, so we can pick this. So for doing this, just plus float how much we have the health, just increase the health with the maybe 2% or the 5%, maybe the 5% is good, or 1%. Let me just give it 1%, and just we need to set this stuff again, that set health, and just connect it with this to with this. So now we can able to pick this, but after then picking this stuff, I want that it's disappear, or it will be should destroy. And also he need to do this stuff one time, so just do once, so it will be do only one time. So I need to just drop it to my vault, maybe. Yeah, again there's the same glitch. Why? Maybe this is glitch from Unreal Engine, maybe. Okay, so here now I can't as here you can see if my health is maybe there's some bugs in the picking sections. Oh sorry, if my health is, this one should be false, go to connected with this with false. That if my health is not 1, so as you can see my health is right now in 1, so I can't pick this stuff. But now if I hit the J, now it's getting me damage, so then I should pick this. Let me visible my health. I want to see how much is my health. So at here, just in the maybe tick, just for verify that why is the tick there. Now I'm just getting my health to see that how much my health. Create and reprint string, because I want to see my health. Okay, as you can see it's not displaying. Now it will be display. I hope, come on brother, display the health. Okay, as you can see now my health is 1. Now J2, you can see my health is now greater than or the less than 1, so maybe it's able to give me the picking this stuff, but it's not giving me to pick this stuff. Why? Let's check. Maybe it should like this value. This, so lots of time there's come some bugs, but okay, now J to get damage, and here okay, now as you can see now it's good, it's working. That now my health, if my health is 1, so I can't pick this health first aid, but if my health is greater than or the less less than 1, as you can see now it's my health is 0.9, so I can able to pick this first aid and my health will become increased. That's okay. I have to work now. Thanks for the stream. Okay brother, bye bye. And Sumit Kumar, bro, go to edit and go to the edit preferences, and in your interface select main window for all the Unreal Engine tab in main window. What you want to full screen, like the windows to enable in full screen? I want this stuff. Hey, why my CMD running? Wow, why my control planning is running at here? Okay, it is the data for Unreal Engine. You can find lots of stuff at here. The visibility actor, jumping actor. Why it's come at here? I don't know. No. So what you mean, bro? Go to edit and go to the editor, preferences and user interface. Select the main windows for all the Unreal Engine. Your tab will be small like Google Chrome tab. Wow, okay, I understand. Like the stuff like this. So what I do with this stuff? I don't want. I want my whole screen in a, in the main screen. Okay, maybe this stuff, I think it's quite enough for today. I'm doing lots of time streaming right now, so just give it a command that health system. Okay, the health system is corrected, as you can see. Now we will do others work like the, let's change it to, you know, weapon. We'll now at the next stream we'll try to add a randomly weapon, like they give Unreal Engine give us some randomly weapon or the ammo or the first aid, okay, for us. So it will be give us some more fun. And let me also disable my event trick to getting the health data, because I don't want to visible it more. Okay, so guys, I think it is, bro, you didn't read my comment for Android buttons on screen. Bro, I already create that, like seriously I create this. Let me show you that in my last stream, where it should be desktop. Okay, you should go to search my channel again. Okay, yeah, you need to just go in my channel again. Okay, just go in my channel, at my last this stream. Okay, the Unreal Engine live problem fix viewers comment reply, just go in that video, the stream. Okay, then I just fixed your maybe the problem that the button where it's go. Seriously, I do your works where I show that how you can simply add a, you know, the fire button. Then where is it, bro? Just watch this stream, okay, like this stream Unreal Engine live problem fix what I make. So that video I just show that where is your shooting one. Okay, this one, brother, from this, as you can see this timeline, that 15.59 seconds at from this line. I will just tell that how you can make your, like, add a button that where when you press this button you can able to shoot the gun. Okay, at this point I just show, so you can just go and check. Yeah, brother, yes, 15.56 56 seconds, 56 seconds. Just from there you need to watch the, and you find your problem. I just show there that how you can make this. Okay, I will watch again. Okay, brother, okay, I think that is enough for today. So guys, thank you so much for watching, guys, and love you all. Bye bye, we'll see you another stream. So thank you so much for joining with our stream, and thanks for supporting ours. So I hope you like this stream. Bye bye, guys, have a good day and great night.